Good Tuesday morning to you, certified digital meteorologist Vanessa Alonso here in the KQ2 Weather Center. There is just so much happening in weather today, not just for us here in Northwest Missouri and Northeast Kansas, but also out in the Caribbean, where now we have the earliest Category 5 hurricane ever recorded on record this early in the Atlantic hurricane season. Of course, we're talking about Hurricane Beryl. This became a Category 5 hurricane late last night with winds at 160 miles per hour. This is a classic textbook hurricane. You can really see that eye and eye wall there. Currently, as of 8 a.m. Eastern Time, it has winds clocking in at 165 miles per hour. Now, here in the United States, we have had 4 Category 5 hurricanes make landfall in the United States. We had the 1935 Labor Day hurricane, which affected the Florida Keys. We had Hurricane Camille, which affected the Gulf in 1969, Hurricane Andrew that caused devastation to South Florida. I lived through that hurricane. You do not want to be in a Category 5 hurricane. And the latest one we had that made landfall in the United States was Hurricane Michael back in 2018. Now, in terms of this storm with Beryl, as of right now, it is still forecast to move through the Caribbean as we head into the next several days. Unfortunately, could pose some issues for our friends in the Dominican Republic, Haiti, and into Jamaica, and then eventually into the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico, heading into the second half of the week. Now, some models from here on out want to take this storm into Mexico. Some models want to take this into the Gulf and affect the Gulf states. This is something we're going to be watching very closely and keep you updated on, so please stay tuned for the very latest. Back here at home, it's been a cloudy start and very muggy out there. Even a few light rain showers on our satellite and radar as we have a storm system that's going to be pushing through the region over the next several hours, and it's going to bring in a cold front. And it is going to be so warm and humid out ahead of the cold front that when this cold front pushes through here, it's going to have enough power to allow for showers and thunderstorms to develop along it. And that is why we are under a level 3 risk for strong to severe storms today from the Storm Prediction Center for after 4 o'clock this afternoon for some damaging winds, large hail, heavy downpours, flooding, and the possibility of an isolated tornado. So let's walk through the hour-by-hour forecast. Again, some of us could be dealing with some light rain showers this morning. I think by noontime we'll see a mix of sun and clouds, very warm and humid, highs in the 90s, heat indices near 100 degrees or higher, before those showers and thunderstorms fire up out ahead of the front after 4 p.m. lasting into the evening hours. Into tomorrow morning, we'll wake up to cloudy skies, and then we're going to see more rounds of showers and thunderstorms Wednesday night, and unfortunately will last us into the 4th of July holiday on Thursday. So if I were you, I would start thinking about maybe having a plan B in case if you need to bring your outdoor plans indoors for the 4th. And if that's not enough, we have to still watch those river levels on the Missouri River as we're still at moderate flood stage. Right now, this morning, it was still a little over 22 feet, which is still keeping us in that moderate flood stage, and will be a little over 24 feet, cresting on Thursday morning on 4th of July right now before those river levels start dropping down. There's just so much happening for us today and for the rest of the week, everyone. We're starting off our day warm, humid, temperatures into the 70s, mix of sun and clouds. Again, maybe a few light rain showers, but I do think the better chances of it will happen this afternoon out ahead of the front, as high temperatures will top out in the lower 90s. Heat indices will make it feel like 100 degrees or higher out there in some spots. So please, we cannot stress this enough. Please stay cool. Please stay hydrated. Drink lots of water. Make sure you have a safe place to go to stay cool in this weather before those showers and thunderstorms move in later on this afternoon and evening. Again, we'll have chances of showers and thunderstorms Wednesday into Thursday for the 4th of July holiday, but then the second half of the holiday weekend looking fantastic, mostly sunny and seasonable with highs in the lower to mid 80s.